Hello friends, my name is Santosh. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to recover your lost smartphone. Every step in this video is important, so watch carefully. Remember, when you have lost your smartphone, registering a complaint with police is the last option. You need to follow these steps that I am going to show to you. These steps will apply to any of the Android devices including Android tablets and smartwatches. In the browser address bar, enter the URL android.com/find. You'll be taken to this page. Log in if you are asked. You will see all the devices that you have logged in. Click the device that you have lost. You will see this page. If you see here, this is where your device is located. Remember, this is not the exact location, but your device can be found within few hundred meters from the point. When you click on this I button, you see the IMEI number, which you can use it for registering a police complaint. It will show when the device was last seen, the network carrier name that was in use, and the battery life percentage. With this, you can know when your device was last active before it was turned off. To demonstrate, I turned off the device. Once I turned off the device, I see device status as can't reach device. Also note that the battery and network information shown will be off before turning off the device. If you come down, you see play sound option. Don't play the sound yet until you hear me completely. When you click the play sound, your device starts ringing. Remember to use this option only when you have left your device in a trusted location, because ringing your device in an untrusted location might call for unnecessary attention. The next option is secure device. Using this option, you can add a message to return your device and add an alternative phone number to contact you. When you have lost hopes of recovering your device, you can erase all the data on your device. Once you erase, you can no more track your device, but you can use the IMEI number to take the help of the police to find your device. The chance of finding your device is negligent, but you can try. The IMEI number can be tampered easily, which makes it impossible to track. That's all for today. I'll bring more such informative tech videos. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. Also, please support my channel in the form of likes, shares and subscribing to my channel.